A jury found an Osceola County father guilty of murdering his infant son. News 13's Stephanie Bachara followed this case from beginning to end, joining us now live from the courthouse. Stephanie, it did not take jurors long to convict Larry Perry.
It did not. Jurors deliberated for about an hour and a half, and they found that there was enough evidence to prove that Perry brutally beat his 3-month-old son because the child would not stop crying.
In a reenactment video, Larry Perry described to detectives what he did to his son Aiden on February 13, 2013 in an effort to get the baby to quiet down.
It was just like that. Just like that.
During police interviews, Perry said he slammed his son against the wall, threw him on the bed, and twisted his neck. He says he later went into the living room, dropped the baby on the floor, and kicked his head.
I've been losing it, man.
Perry told officials he was stressed because baby Aiden's mother, Kathy Barnes, was in jail at the time, leaving the child in his care.
I don't have any help. People know how the situation is.
Perry's attorney says he called 911 and tried to get help for the baby.
I can't do this. I told him I can't do this. I told me, you can't do this. I can't. Please hurry up and come and get me help. That's not a murderer.
A 911 phone call and graphic images of the child's condition were shown to jurors. And while Perry's attorney pleaded for a more forgiving verdict, it didn't happen.
You've got to look past the sympathy the state tries to get you to invoke in this case, because the judge is going to tell you that sympathy cannot play a part in your verdict.
The prosecutor in the case says there is no excuse to act that way.
Being a parent is hard. Nobody said it was easy. But that, by no means, gives him carte blanche to do what he did to that child.
The sentencing phase for Perry will take place Monday morning. State Attorney Brad King is pursuing the death penalty in this case. Live from the Osceola County Courthouse, Stephanie Bachara, News 13.
This is the second death penalty case prosecuted by King in Orange and Osceola counties. He oversees the neighboring district, but the governor took the cases away from State Attorney Aramis Ayala. That happened after she said she would not pursue the death penalty.